Plant FAQs. Hosta Golden Tiara. Hosta Golden Tiara, a gardener's guide. I'm Ferb Vu, and I've been obsessed with hostas for years. Their captivating foliage and resilience in shady corners of the garden make them a true delight. Today, we'll delve into the specifics of a dazzling variety, the Hosta Golden Tiara. What is Hosta Golden Tiara? The Hosta Golden Tiara is a compact, mound-forming perennial prized for its stunning variegated leaves. Imagine a base of mid-green foliage, broadly oval to heart-shaped, edged with a vibrant chartreuse band. As the season progresses, this margin transforms into a luminous golden yellow, eventually softening to a creamy white. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. How to grow Hosta Golden Tiara. Light. Unlike many shade-loving plants, the Golden Tiara thrives in part shade. Morning sun or dappled sunlight is ideal. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Soil. Rich, well-drained, and consistently moist soil is key. Sandy loam is preferable to clay for better aeration. A pH between 5.5 and 7.5 is perfect. Watering. Consistent moisture is crucial, especially during the hot summer months. Aim to water directly at the base of the plant to avoid wetting the leaves. Established plants can tolerate drier conditions, but vigilance is recommended. Planting. Spring or fall are the ideal planting times. Dig a hole twice the size of the root ball and amend the soil with organic matter like compost. Ensure the crown sits slightly above the soil level. Water thoroughly after planting. How to care for Hosta Golden Tiara. Fertilizer. A balanced fertilizer applied in early spring can promote healthy growth. However, overdoing it can negatively impact the foliage. Mulch. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Division. As the Golden Tiara matures, you can divide it to create new plants. Early spring or fall is the best time for this. Carefully dig up the clump, separate the divisions, and replant in suitable locations. How big does Hosta Golden Tiara get? A mature Golden Tiara typically reaches 12 to 18 inches tall and 24 to 30 inches wide. Its compact size makes it ideal for borders, containers, or as a ground cover in shady areas. Does Hosta Golden Tiara flower? Yes, it produces delicate, bell-shaped, lavender-purple flowers in mid to late summer. These blooms rise on slender scapes that can reach 18 to 24 inches in height. While the flowers are attractive to pollinators, the foliage is the true star of the show. Is Hosta Golden Tiara deer-resistant? Fortunately, deer generally find hostas unpalatable due to the presence of saponins. This makes them a good choice for gardens prone to deer browsing. What are some good companion plants for Hosta Golden Tiara? Golden Tiara pairs beautifully with other shade-loving plants like ferns, coral bells, lungworts, and Japanese anemones. You can also use it to complement colorful perennials like columbines or bleeding hearts. How does Hosta Golden Tiara compare to Hosta francii? Both Hosta Golden Tiara and Hosta francii are popular variegated varieties. However, there are key differences. Hosta francii boasts larger, bluer leaves with a wider, creamy white margin. It also grows taller, reaching up to 24 inches in height. Additional tips. Pests and diseases. Thankfully, Golden Tiara is relatively pest and disease resistant. However, keep an eye out for slugs and snails, which can munch on the leaves. You can use organic methods like hand-picking or beer traps to control them. Winter care. The Golden Tiara is winter hardy down to USDA zones 3 to 4. In colder regions, a layer of mulch around the base of the plant can provide additional protection. Propagation. As mentioned earlier, division is the primary method of propagating Golden Tiara. However, for the more adventurous gardener, tissue culture propagation is also an option. Variegated hosta care. While the Golden Tiara isn't overly fussy, remember that variegated hostas generally require more light than their fully green counterparts. Too much shade can cause the variegation to fade. In conclusion, the Hosta Golden Tiara is a low-maintenance, versatile perennial that adds a touch of elegance to any shady garden. With its captivating foliage and ease of care, it's a must-have for plant enthusiasts of all levels. So, if you're looking for a reliable, shade-loving beauty, consider adding the Hosta Golden Tiara to your collection.